Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Isaiah and this is Car-splaining. In today's video, we are going to talk about the ridiculous repair bill that I got for my 2016 BMW 340i. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, if you guys could just take a second to hit the subscribe button, that would mean the absolute world to me. We grow this channel one sub at a time and I need your help. So a week or so ago, I took my BMW 340i to Bavarian Performance up in Winchester, Massachusetts. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best performance shops that I've ever been to. Best mechanic that I have ever been to in my life. These people are so thorough and so professional. I mean, I really have never had customer experience like this before. If you can see here, they've just given me this whole entire vehicle condition report at no charge to me. I basically complained about my car having a coolant light coming on. It was coming on intermittently and I didn't really understand why it was coming on. So I figured, all right, what not better guys to take it? These guys basically specialize in BMWs and they took it and they did way more than I asked, and I just honestly am so thrilled about it. You can see this report that they took. They take a picture of your car, they do a full overview of it. They said 44 items are okay. Basically, they check the car top to bottom, and then also they suggest services, right? So yeah, they suggested a few different services for my car that I honestly did not expect. Considering my car has 40,000 miles and it's only 4 years old, but it's a BMW, so what can we expect? So there's a few things that I need to do soon here. So my spark plugs, apparently the recommended maintenance period interval for spark plugs is 50,000 miles. Now, I'll probably be able to get away with doing that myself. Spark plugs are pretty easy to change. You can get them pre-gapped so that you don't have to gap them yourselves, but I've never changed spark plugs in a BMW before, so that'll be a mystery. Maybe I'll just have the shop do it. The rear differential output seals are leaking. I didn't see that one coming. That is kind of an expensive job. I was quoted about $1,000 for the work to do my rear differential output seals. Good news is it's potentially covered under warranty because I'm not an idiot. I went and got myself an aftermarket warranty for my BMW that is used. So this may be covered under my warranty. So that will save me $1,000, but if I didn't have it, that would be a lot. Next, we have my thrust arm bushings, which honestly, I don't even know what they do. I'm a car guy and I just have not a single idea what they do. I know it's a part of the suspension, but according to this image here, they are cracking, so I probably will need to replace those soon. I'll add that to my list of maintenance. Now, these aren't as expensive to change. I believe it's still expensive. It's about $700 to change. Don't quote me. I'll pull up the actual report here. And then also the last thing they mentioned is a 4-wheel alignment. It's because of these potholes in Boston. I can't tell you how bad the streets are here in Boston. You can't drive 200 feet without seeing a giant pothole here in Boston. And I mean, honestly, I paid so much money getting my alignment put back right because I hit a pothole late at night that I couldn't see. I tried my best to avoid them during the daytime, but you just can't. It's impossible. So it's gonna cost $150 to put all my 4 wheels back straight again. And I mean, this time I'll try my best to avoid the stupid potholes here in Boston, but honestly, you can't make any promises. So basically, that's my maintenance list here. These are the things that I should be planning to do pretty soon. And as you can see, it is $2,000 or so more of work here. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that I got some services done in addition to the things that I was quoted for. So all that together will equal about $2,000. So that's my little disclaimer here. I got a coolant flush done, just like some preventative maintenance. I knew that it was due at 50,000 miles. And then also I got my oil changed because it had been about 5,000 miles with the BMW. So it was about time. And then they also had some type of level 1 testing and diagnostic package. I really don't know what that is. I didn't really ask. These guys are just so good that I just didn't even care. If you add all that together with the things that I was quoted for my suspension and the differentials and the wheel alignment, yeah, we're looking at about $2,000. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot. I'm not happy about it, but you gotta pay to play, and that's what they always say. So nonetheless, guys, I once again, I can't emphasize how good Bavarian Performance is. That is probably one of the best mechanics I've ever been to before. So if you're in the Boston area and you have a BMW, I highly recommend that you go and check them out. The stellar performance. A little bit of a trek from Boston, but it's totally worth it. They have a night drop. You can just leave your key in there, and it's really stellar. So that's my update for the BMW. Nearly $2,000 in repairs up ahead for me. So this is what I get. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend. Peace.